The shoe looks brand new. I'm impressed that I make out of baking soda, super cheap detergents that are like blue or green. I would be careful with them because they did color my shoes in the past. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I decided to make this video because I've been getting a ton of compliments on my white shoes, and I decided that it's probably a good idea to also make a video. Here are my white sneakers, and it's already been a few weeks since I washed them, so they are not looking, you know, sparkling white as when I took them out of the washer. So in today's video, I'm gonna share my tips and tricks to keep your white sneakers looking brand new. The reality is that if you keep taking care of your white sneakers, you won't need to buy new pair every, I don't know, like how often do you buy new sneakers? Like I had white sneakers for years. I'm one of those people who don't really like to buy the same things over and over again. Like if I buy a pair of shoes, I would like to keep them for a few years, for forever possibly. So if I can keep my shoes looking brand new, I will do whatever it takes to keep them looking great. So I hope a lot of you guys will benefit from watching this video. So without further ado, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my Yeezys in the washing machine as I always do. This pair actually never washed in the washer yet, but I've been washing my sneakers 4 years in the washing machine, and they always are completely fine. Of course, you know, on some sneakers that are not as good quality, of course, washing machine may damage them. So keep that in mind. But I'm gonna show you my results and what I do to wash my sneakers. I use this product on organic stains. If I have some greasy stains, I use my regular dish soap, and it works amazing. On this dirt that I have here, what I usually do, I use a paste that I make out of baking soda, super cheap baking soda. So I usually mix it with the detergent and I gently rub it into the fabric, and I use usually some non-colored detergent like this one. This one is 7th generation, more of like a natural detergent, but you can use whatever you have that is non-colored. So if you have any detergents that are like blue or green, I would be careful with them because they did color my shoes in the past. They actually have like bluish tint now because I used to use a blue Arms and Hammer detergent, so I don't use it anymore. I would highly recommend using any transparent or white detergent. So I can recommend this one. This brand is also great. I bought these products on Amazon, and I'm gonna link them down below, but this is also amazing and it smells great. But I use this for darks. This is gonna be like the consistency of the paste. Basically, you just need a little bit of baking soda and a little bit of detergent or dish soap if you have greasy stains, and then you're gonna massage it into the fabric, into your shoe, and you can use a toothpaste or you can use cloth like here. I'm just gonna use one squeeze, since one squeeze is one load, and yeah, I'm just gonna put them in those little baggies. gonna also put the soil as well. I'm gonna wash it on heavy and I'm gonna spin it on high, and I'm washing it in cold water. That's pretty important. Don't use warm or hot water, only cold. And that's it. It's gonna be in a wash for 47 minutes. And yeah, already put the detergent in, and I'm gonna start washing it. Okay, so after washing, this is what it looks like. I used to take the laces out. I don't do it anymore because I actually don't notice any difference, and it's a lot more work to put it back on. So it's optional, you can take laces off, but I never do. It still washes very nicely. The shoe looks brand new. I'm impressed. Very nice. Beautiful. And I'm gonna wait until shoes and also soils are fully dry to put it all together. So I'm gonna leave it overnight to dry. Okay, I'm just gonna let it dry. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. You can check out all the links in the description below. And don't forget to see 2 of my other videos, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.